Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Lydia with Raindrop Lila, and today is Trashy Tuesday. So I got these bottles of peroxide from Costco. I was looking at this. Normally I would throw this away, right? I mean, it looks like garbage. But since I've been doing Trashy Tuesday, I thought, what can I make out of it so that I can use it in my journals? Can I reuse this in my journals? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try cutting these into hearts. Let's see. Okay. Let's make another one. So I'm just I keep going and shaping it. Okay, so there's two of them. Let's just use these for now. Okay, so I have these two. How cute are they? And now I am going to grab my little tin. And I have one of these owls in there, which I use for my binding. And let's see, I'm gonna punch a hole just kind of to the side. I should have something to do it on, but you know me, I got the idea and then I just went with it. I didn't want to go find something to. I suppose I could just use a book that I could punch it in, but it's okay. There's a little groove right here in my old table, and I'm just going to use that. And so I'm just putting a little hole in there, and then I thought, what if I add like a little one of these guys, right? And I think it's time to clean up my desk because I don't know where my other pliers are at, so I can use it. Okay, so now what you want to do is just spread each of this end apart from each other so that, let's see, so we can fit this in here so it's kind of like jewelry, right? I made this heart a little bit bigger than I thought I would. Okay, so there I have my little heart, and then I'm going to want to attach it to something. So this can go in a journal. It can be like a little pendant, you can add that. Let's see, I can add a little bead on there. I can get it on here. See that? Okay, what if I have another heart here that I made earlier? Should I put two hearts on here? Let's see how that looks. So you can do two. I don't know if I like two. I think I like just the one better. But basically, with something you just would have thrown away, you can make these little embellishments for your journal. And so here I have a little tag, and it has this little I don't know what you call it, but I just made a little tag for my journal, and so I can just tuck this in. Let me show you guys. I have my journal here. Okay, so this can just get tucked in here, and you have this little embellishment just kind of hanging out, and I think it's cute. So if I make a couple of these, I'm thinking I want to give you guys a closer view. Okay, here it is. Okay, so see that? Oops. Let's make sure you're in the camera. I just added that to my journal. And it can kind of hang out like this. Let's see. Okay, let me show you guys how else I used one of these little hearts. So you can use it on a little, so you can use it like this, just as an attachment like that. But I have my little butterfly journal here also. Okay. And what I did was I added it right here. See that? So it says what truly matters, and then I have the heart. And this page, this journal page, is basically about what truly matters to me is my family, right? So isn't that cute, that the little heart? I just added it with a brad. Okay, so how easy was that? That was like just a few minutes. And you can make these little things, and basically from something that you would have normally thrown away, right? So from this to this. And I have quite a few that I've been working on. I have that one, this one, and this one. Aren't they cute? So cute. Super easy. And they're cute. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this little series. I know that a lot of you guys have really been loving my Trashy Tuesday videos with recycling different pieces for junk journaling. So let me know if you guys make these, and I would love to see your take on them. If you do make them, feel free to tag me so I could see what you guys do. Okay, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.